a redneck, and we're all do-si-doing, spinning around. Here we go. Shoot that redneck!